Welcome. In front of me I have SmartMi Evaporative Humidifier, and I'm going to show you how you can turn on or turn off notification sounds from this device. So at the first we have to go for our Android smartphone and then open Mi Home application. Next choose our device, open menu like that, and when you tap on the switcher we can turn off and turn on notification sounds on our device. So right now let's tap right here. Right now we can hear notification, and when we turn it off and then tap on the button, you cannot hear it. And that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments, and subscribe to our channel. See ya!